Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the 11th century Al-Hakim Mosque in Cairo during his 2-day visit to Egypt. This is the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Egypt since 1977. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi extended the invitation to PM Modi, as India's top trading partner on the African continent historically has been Egypt. On Sunday, PM Modi visited the Al-Hakim Mosque, which was restored with the help of India's Dawoodi Bohra community. The latest restoration was completed only 3 months ago. Egyptian Minister of Tourism and Antiquities, Mostafa Waziri, received PM Modi at the mosque.